Are you tired of staining your pants while fishing? Is your girlfriend or wife upset with you because you come home and your pants are full of blood and fish guts? Well, I'm here to tell you about a brand new invention from Kettlebottom Outdoor Pursuits. It's called the Fisherman's Helper. This unique design is made in America, is 100% really stained. Your actual stains may vary. It's available only at Kettlebottom Outdoor Pursuits. Now, some of the features is fish carrier, built-in tape measure for those who need it, utility knife pocket, it's a rag, and I just peed myself. So for $29.99 plus shipping and handling, you can get this exclusive Kettlebottom outdoor product, only available at www.kettlebottom.com. This can be yours for $29.95 plus shipping and handling, available only at kettlebottom.com, your source for innovative fishing products.